When the Infiniti QX70 made its debut as a 2003 model under the name Infiniti FX, it was the most assertive and sporty crossover on the market. Almost a decade and a half later, the second generation 2017 Infiniti QX70 is still a stunning vehicle. Scarab-shaped, it packs an abundance of stylish design into its carapace, with a bulging hood and pronounced wheel arches connected by swooping bodywork and great details. An extremely high level of fit and finish, an Infiniti hallmark, brings QX70 into sharp focus and amplifies its stylish design. The first generation Mazda CX-5 ran from 2012-2016 and made a splash as the more compact replacement for the CX-7 in the Mazda lineup. Now all new for the model year, the 2017 Mazda CX-5 features an evolved, more stylish exterior and interior design while maintaining the majority of the mechanical underpinnings of the successful crossover vehicle. Mazda had to be careful with this makeover not to lose the momentum that the CX-5, its best-selling model, has built through the years. It saw over 112,000 sales in 2016 and just nipping the Mazda 3 at the finish line. The CX-5 second's design conforms to Mazda's Coda Spirit of Motion theme, and is engineered using its active engineering principles. Cadillac has been on a path of continuous improvement recently, and the mid-size 2017 Cadillac XT5 stands as an example of progress. It replaced the neglected SRX, which never really got the respect that it deserved. The XT5 should garner respect based on its excellent handling and performance, and will draw admiration as a stylish crossover. From the big grille up front with the tasteful Cadillac crest all the way to its elegant rear fascia, the XT5 oozes style. Most important is the full LED lighting package, with signature daytime running lights up front and graphic tail lights in the rear. Cadillac fanciers will appreciate the nod to the brand's heritage and the mini-fin shapes of the brake light housings. A stylish touch if there ever was one. Jeep's compact crossover, the 2017 Jeep Compass, borrows styling cues for the company's flagship crossover, the Grand Cherokee. The Compass runs away with the most improved award for its complete update over the outgoing generation of Compass. Instead of cute styling like the Renegade or bizarre styling like the Cherokee, the Compass brings elegant, mature styling to the compact field. Featuring a version of the famous Jeep 6-column grille that mirrors the Grand Cherokee's, Compass presents a very attractive face, with expressive headlights and fog lights. The nicely tucked-in body sides support a tall should line, and the broad rear end gives a sense of stability. In a lineup that is long on purpose-built style, Compass is the most stylish crossover. Often overlooked, the Nissan Murano was the 30th best-selling SUV in the US last year. But for those seeking a stylish crossover vehicle, it would be a mistake not to consider the 2017 Nissan Murano. Its striking profile is both elegant and powerful, with a truly unique daylight opening glow. Designers speak for the area defined by the side windows of the vehicle. A variety of planes and curves capture the light, creating a very sculptural and sophisticated body side view. This year's Murano Midnight Edition amps up the stylishness with black outside mirrors, black 20-inch alloy wheels, and black roof rails.